on and we ready, spaghetti. Ride like a set of Pirellis. The hate on it heavy, find out who said it. I had a feeling with Letty. More guns and more betty. More songs and more credit. Count faster than Chevys. I was poor, but I never been petty.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another banger, man. Today the tow man is on the way to go get my truck right now, so I gotta go shoot to where I left my truck at on New Year's. Finna go pick it up and I'm getting it towed back to the house, man. I'm sad to see my baby go out like that, but we finna bounce back real quick. But I gotta go because I think the tow people finna be there in like 20 minutes. Bruh, let me do my intro, bruh.
Yeah. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man.
Hey, that's ATL, bruh. But I should be on the way to go get my truck right now. I gotta go meet the tow people. I'ma just pick up when I'm there. Look at my truck, bro. Same spot. Tow people finna be here, man. They finna come get it. Oh, man. At least still clean. Y'all saw me clean in the last vlog. Look at the truck, man. Tow guy down there. You think you gonna be able to get it out?
Huh?
You gonna be able to get it out?
No.
No? Huh? Alright. I hope he do my stuff right, bro, because if he don't do it right, bro, it's gonna be a real problem. If he messes up any of my rims, any of my anything, it's gonna be a problem. I ain't lying either. But y'all see it, man.
Alright, hey, you gotta go to a repair shop?
Nah, we going to my house.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna just take the pictures real quick.
But it's good.
That's a nice truck, though, bro.
Oh yeah, appreciate it. Oh man, bro. Ready to go. Bruh, truck still in 4-wheel drive. You want me to be in there? We're going up, y'all.
Yeah, you can turn it off.
You want to put it in park?
Yeah. Yeah, put the parking brake on.
Yeah.
And yeah, there you go. You left it in park?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Y'all gonna meet me over there?
Yeah, I'm about to be on the way.
Okay, cool. All right.
Appreciate it. Camera died, y'all. My truck, bro. She finna be down for a little bit, bro. We gonna come back, and y'all know when we come back, we gonna come back better, bro. Just wait. Truck is down. I ain't even gonna lie, my truck just moved and parked. Had to put a rock in front of it, but we finna be back, man. Y'all know we coming back harder. We gonna come back better. I broke my truck, man. She finna be back though, but I was just showing y'all me going to pick my truck up, man. It's finally back at my house. So that's it for this video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And man, glad the truck back at the crib, but now we gotta fix it, and that's gonna take some money. What's up, YouTube? We back again with another banger, man. We is back in the Range Rover thing, man. Today it's an off day, so we gonna handle some stuff. It's the 3rd of the month, man. How y'all 2023 going? But I'm on the way to JC and Boog. We finna go link with them, see what we gotta do. I think I gotta go get a credit card today. It's long overdue. But we was just chilling, just decided to pick up the camera and vlog for today. So if you ain't subscribed yet, man, go subscribe. Click off the video right now. Go subscribe right now, because we got bangers coming all 2023, man. And if you saw that prank that we pulled on Wooda, make sure y'all go like our video. And if you ain't watch our video, go watch our end of it. We got all the behind the scenes. So if you're watching now, go watch that first, and then come back to this video. I'm on the way right now, so I'm gonna catch up to y'all once we get there, man.
Black on black.
Alright, y'all, I got Boog with me now.
So gang?
So gang.
Hey, no.
January 3rd. Tell them how they 23 going.
2023 going smooth, bro.
Smooth.
It's smooth. I ain't lying, bro.
We doing some business move right now. We at Wells Fargo. I don't know if they gonna let me film in here.
Probably not.
We finna see. I'm gonna bring the camera in now. We gonna talk that business to them.
We get our shit together, bro. That's black.
This
right
mom's
there.
whip, bro. Mom's whip need her headliner sagging, bro.
Yeah, get her together, though.
Oh, bro, I'll take this
Bro.
take all this apart, bro.
Real quick,
Bro.
nigga.
This look like this spot pop.
Hey, JC trying to get the Porsche done.
He is? Real top. Come on, bro.
Bro,
Tell him
he
give me that
is.
Porsche. I said I was been supposed to have a credit card, right?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Hell yeah.
Damn near a year ago. Soon
Nah,
you
for
turn
real.
18.
I'm finna turn the camera off right
Possible
quick,
back
though.
that car?
Yeah, they do.
Could it be an authorized user on their shit?
I gotta have them here.
No, they can do it on their phone. Be like, Mom, let me be an authorized user on your account.
Bet. I'm not trying to wait, but we can apply online, so that's what I'm finna do. It say I can't even do it, bro. It say we're unable to process your request. Alright, y'all, so we back in the Wells Fargo. It wasn't letting me doing it on the phone or on online, so now I'm here. I'm just waiting for them to get done. It's not as packed anymore, so I'm finna get my credit card, man. Y'all stay tuned. Good bug, bro. Yeah. Thank you.
Happy New Year too, man.
Thank you. Approved, boy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, man. We approved, bro. We approved, boy. We finna go on some trips. And for y'all haters, my card metal, I'ma drop it. It's gonna be ding, 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 boy. My card metal. But yeah, shout out to Christian, man. Christian got, oh yeah. Christian got us right, man.
Bro.
We both finished. He finished what he did in Chase.
Bro.
I just did what I had to do in Wells Fargo, man. We finna head back to the crib. Finna edit the rest of these videos. We got that New Year's vlog to drop, man.
Yo, my goodness, y'all look, man. y'all gonna see this after that, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell y'all like that bitch lit, boy. We a different animal in that motherfucker.
Different animal. That's not C2B, but that's how we get down.
That ain't C2B. That's
work. That's
Kobe,
after,
JC, and
that's
Bud.
Kobe, JC, and Bud. Damn. Back to business, bruh.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, when we not working, we still working, gang.
Always. Don't stop.
I gotta finish this video, this lit video, bro. Y'all gonna see. Y'all ain't watch it yet. Go watch it, bro. We gonna drop it tonight.
Give me more! Give it to me, boy. Give it to me, boy. Give it to me, boy. Come on, Jay. Let's do it. Let's do it, Jay.
Y'all crazy. So you tired now, huh?
Goddamn. I was waiting on that boy.
Dude, what's up?
I was waiting on that boy to give it to me.
Hey,
Why he take so long, see?
Why I gotta give it to him?
long, man?
I don't want to give it to him.
Why he take so long?
I don't want it.
Hey! Thanks so long. He got good. You took like 3 months, nigga. You took like 3 months. Not like 4 of them.
I ain't swinging no more, bitch.
Let me see that C2B detailing shirt though, bro.
We got that bitch on.
Ooh-wee.
I just had to put work in this motherfucker. Every time I got this shirt on, just know I'm going to work, nigga.
JC on the back. I think I want to go hoop.
Come on.
Go get some practice in. You feel me? I might just go get a little.
I know I ain't.
What?
I'm keeping the flops on.
The flops?
Mm-hmm.
Throw it. Throw it at them. They probably like. Oh! Finna go get some shots up, man. Why we hooping? Oh, look at that dog. Whoa, I mean them deer. Oh. Oh. Bro, they jumping like, bro. That's crazy. I ain't never seen no deer in real life. I swear I ain't seen no deer in real life. Nah, not like that. That's like wild. That's like wildlife for real.
Like a sensei, maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, no I brag it.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it to the court, man. Finna go to the court. Finna get that boy a bucket. Bro, it don't got no nets book.
Huh?
It ain't no nets book.
Hey, we don't need them there where I'm from.
Okay.
No backboard, man.
Okay. Oh, it's wet for sure. You got white socks, you over with. Oh.
Oh.
Book. Cash that, man. Cash that, man. Yeah.
You know this money, nigga.
Money?
You know this money, nigga.
Okay. Oh. Show me some. Show me some. Okay. Come on. Show me some. Oh.
Let me show y'all something real quick, bro.
Come on.
JT, get your ass out here, bro.
Bro, no.
Nah, nigga, get out here, bro.
Come on.
You see
you got the camera. Oh. Oh.
Come on, bro. I'll do this.
Okay.
Bro. It's in the real John Moran, nigga.
Get down here.
What's up, Wilbur?
Oh!
Like this guy, this.
Left hand, ho.
Oh, fuck no. Oh! Oh! Ah! Baseline drop. What the fuck?
Oh, bro, I ain't worried. Shoot down here.
Travel, hell no.
That bitch going on cam.
Bro, you tripping,
That bitch is getting leaked.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm tired. How you feeling?
Don't put that bitch on me.
Bro, we been hooping for like 10 minutes. I'm gassed, bro. I'm gassed, bro. I can't do it, bro. We playing a game of 21, so we finna keep playing. We pick up the camera. Yeah. I'm finna play with the camera on y'all. Let me see your feet, bro. Double, bro.
Oh, game time.
One person, guys. That's when it matters, but I'm tired now.
I can go one more. Off the backboard.
Come on, bro. Show them us what you got. What shoes that's in though?
Yeah.
What shoes that's in? Show me some, JC.
Alright, now this is the real phone for the end of the video. End of the hoop session.
Show out.
Oh, shit, bro.
I got one for y'all.
Come on, bro. We gotta go, bro.
It's time to go.
It's getting dark.
We out this bitch. Treat up for y'all, man. I love y'all, man.
Let's go.
We done, bro. Clock out. Bro, look at all the bugs, bro. I'm finna get a slush. I'm still out of breath. You heard me? I'm still out of breath.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Blueberry lemonade. Mango lemonade.
This one?
She on the phone, bro. It's only right, bro. What's over there?
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll subscribe to it.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of Tuki, and I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna make a fucking movie.
Get Tuki on the blog.
Tuki on the vlog. Tuki watch the video. Tuki on the raw. Tuki on the vlog. Tuki on the vlog. Tuki on the vlog. Smoking Tuki on the vlog.
So AJ, if you watching this, bro,
If you ain't watching the new vlog, go tap in, man. Go tap in, cause we watching it. Y'all should too. Just finished editing the New Year's vlog, y'all. So if y'all haven't watched it yet, make sure y'all go watch it. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna catch y'all in the next vlog, man.
You get to watch, it's perfect timing. I can see clear, clarity diamonds. Ice on the crew, everybody shining. Can't nobody stop me from grinding.